How to set up Gmail SMTP server. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Drive, log in with your Gmail account, and at the top right corner you will see setting gear icon beside your profile icon. Simply click on it. After that, click on see all settings. Now here, simply go to forwarding and POP IPAM. At the bottom status, disable the feature. Again click on your profile icon and go to manage your Google account. Go to security from the left hand side menu and choose two-step verification. Now here in two-step verification window, go to app password. Click on the arrow beside it. Now after that, set a password and click on OK. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.